Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to turn on captions on Instagram Reels. Enabling captions make your Reels more accessible and helps viewers understand your content better. So, let's get started on how to turn on captions on Instagram Reels. First, open the Instagram app. Go to the Reels section. Tap on the three dots icon in the right side of any reel. From the menu that appears, find and tap on the option that says Caption and Translations. Here you will see the Show Closed Captions option. To enable captions, tap the toggle switch right next to it. When the switch is turned on, captions are now activated for Instagram Reels. And this is how you can turn on captions on Instagram Reels. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.